So you come here with some seasoning, some onion, some seasoned salt, add a little bit of pepper, add a whole cup of water. Okay, so now that we know this, we can go ahead and add the beef and the honeycomb stripe or the beef stripe or the shaki. Come here with our pepper. Come here with some, this is two knorr cubes, okay? Seasoning. Come here with the onions. This is 1 onion bulb, okay? This. So I have 2 bell peppers here that I already grinded in the blender, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it here and let this one cook down, okay? I just want to dehydrate this. So I'm gonna take this to the stove and then we can continue. So to continue, I have my already cooked proteins. I have beef, cow feet, and the honeycomb stripes, okay? So this, set it aside. So guys, I'm one of the type that love to grind my okazi. So I'll go ahead and put my okazi leaf in the blender. So guys, this is what my okazi looks like after blending it in the blender, okay? So this is what you want. You want it to be completely dry like this before using it for your soup. So the first thing you want to do is to add some palm oil in your pot. Of salt. This is 1 onion bulb. You want to come in here with your bell peppers, blended bell peppers, add to the pot. Come here with your seasoning. So right now the bell pepper is ready. So I'm going to come here with the egusi. Come here with some hot water. Cover this. I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna go ahead and add my proteins. So I'm gonna add some chicken broth. I'm gonna go in with some crayfish, the prawns. Go in with my smoked fish. Add the ziza seed. I'm gonna cover this and let this cook for some time. So guys, the only thing remaining now is just to add my okazi. Adding my okazi in. So at this point, guys, our soup is ready. And there you have it, ninjas, a plate of delicious egusi with okazi soup served with pounded yam. Yes, go ahead guys and salivate. It is allowed in this kitchen. Until I see you in the next video, and remember, in this kitchen we always count our blessings. Bye bye.